Welcome to Airbus Helicopters at Paris-Le Bourget.
Paris-Le Bourget is Airbus Helicopters' center of excellence for dynamic composite elements, particularly for helicopter blades.
Here, more than 1,000 people contribute to developing, manufacturing, and supporting the blades that equip our entire range of helicopters.
On average, the teams produce and repair more than 10,000 parts a year, an impressive figure.
We are now in the design office. The design office of Paris-Le Bourget works closely with those in Donauwörth and in Marignane to develop the core of the vertical lift aircraft. Here, engineers design, optimize, industrialize, and test the composite parts of dynamic assemblies, including blades. The Paris-Le Bourget design office is also focused on the future, with the development of new solutions that can equip demonstrators and new rotorcraft in the range. It also develops new technologies for dynamic composite elements that will improve the quality and competitiveness of future products.
We are in the manufacturing workshop. The Paris-Le Bourget site is Airbus Helicopters' center of excellence for production of blades and composite parts. Other key parts of the rotor assembly are also manufactured here, such as the Starflex or the hub. Manufacturing blades requires a keen understanding of aircraft operation, the impact of the flight environment, and the vibration levels experienced in flight. Here, the elementary parts from internal and external suppliers converge to be placed in molds. Molding involves compacting and heating the material to obtain the blade in its final form.
Each stage of the blade manufacturing process is closely monitored and controlled. In addition to the most modern control methods like scanning, blade control also relies on the expertise of the Airbus teams, such as tapping checks, to confirm the absence of delamination. Once the molded blade is painted, it is scanned, balanced, and tested to ensure optimal behavior in flight. After documentation is completed, the blades are shipped to internal and external customers.
Paris-Le Bourget teams are recognized for the quality of support and services they provide, from blade repair to training. The expertise of the Paris-Le Bourget teams in repairing blades is unparalleled. The most advanced technologies are combined with the dedication, precision, and know-how of experienced colleagues to guarantee the highest levels of aviation safety and a quick return to operations. Each year, the Paris-Le Bourget teams repair over 1,500 blades. Flight safety and the transmission of this unique know-how rely on continuous and demanding training. This is key to answer customers' mission requirements and enable them to perform their essential operations at any time around the globe. External intervention technicians also carry out assistance missions directly at customers' sites, enabling a quick return to service for the aircraft.
This concludes our visit to the Paris-Le Bourget site.
Stay tuned to discover all our available opportunities.
Thanks for following us, and see you soon.
Bye.